How to insert table of contents in WPS. Insert table of contents TOC in WPS Writer. Follow these basic steps. So first of all you have to do is open the WPS app on your device. Then now once open it, all you have to do is go to your created document or simply create a new one. Now here first of all you have to do is create or select the titles or headings in your document. I do not have any headings or titles available for now, so let me just create a headings. Let's simply go to the home, tap on the headings option available there, then type down your headings. Now once you have typed down your headings, let's simply go to the references option available at the top menu bar. Once you go to the references, you will get to see TOC table of contents at the left hand side. Simply tap on it. Then a drop down menu will appear. From the tap on the insert table of contents option available there and choose your style. How would you like to keep your table of contents? And all you have to do is tap on the done or save option available there. And your table of contents will be created. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.